Hey there. Want to retire comfortably and enjoy your golden years without financial stress? Let's dive into Retirement Planning 101. In just 2 minutes, I'll walk you through essential steps to secure your future. First up, pensions. A pension plan is a retirement savings plan sponsored by an employer. If your company offers a pension, make sure you're enrolled. Contribute consistently and understand the benefits it offers. It's basically free money, so don't miss out. Next, investments. Diversifying your investments is key. Consider a mix of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Stocks can offer high returns but come with risks. Bonds are safer but offer lower returns. Mutual funds provide a good balance. And don't forget about real estate. Investing in property can provide rental income and long-term growth. Now, on to savings strategies. Start with an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This cushion protects you from unexpected expenses without derailing your retirement savings. Next, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your retirement accounts to ensure you're consistently saving. Consider using tax-advantaged accounts like 401ks or IRAs. These accounts offer tax benefits that can boost your savings. Lastly, review and adjust your plan regularly. Life changes, and so should your retirement plan. Check your progress annually and adjust your contributions and investments as needed. There you have it, a quick guide to setting up your retirement plan. Remember, the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Happy planning! If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial tips. Catch you in the next video.